are we feeling lucky today? Let's try. Okay.
Right side.
Yun na.
Oh, good. Start? Please, Lord. What does that mean? Oh, that's so sad. Next.
Go, Leo.
Pag na-shoot sa pula.
Okay, ako naman.
Are you feeling lucky today?
Wait lang. Kasi gets mo. Pwede pa kiusog yung mga...
Ay, sorry. Sorry po. Oh.
Wala pa nga eh. Paano ba? Ito?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Oh my God. Okay, so next time, I guess. Uwi na kami.
Baba.
That's
Babay
it.
tayo.
That's it.
One in Thai. One.
Where are we going?
Chimending area lang tayo.
Shimending area. Okay.
Para chill lang.
Chill lang. Chill lang for today's video. Because we're just gonna do like exploring the local streets.
Yeah. Hi mga kalocals.
Yeah, and eating food, street food, and doing a little bit of shopping for today.
Oh, wala na akong pera pang Shopee.
Oh, there's Uniqlo here. One more. Mistake ko. Mistake ba yan? Ang labo na ng paningin ko talaga. Fuck,
So,
man.
tayo. Milk?
Milk tea?
Hindi siya milk tea eh. Wala siyang tea. Brown sugar milk lang.
Ah, brown sugar milk.
Try.
I don't like brown sugar.
Haba na pila ng popcorn. Hi guys, this is the Shin Futang brown sugar milk. I don't know.
Go,
Tignan natin
taste.
siya. And here we have. Okay lang. Aichu.
Aichu rice po.
Rice.
Essentially miswa. Misa? Miswa, miswa.
So unang-una, negative review dun sa spoon nila. Dahil miswa to.
Sarap siya. Sarap siya. Buti small lang kasi ang dami.
Pipili ka pa rin ng mga sauce mo. So akong pinili ko ay garlic lang.
I chose all. So may three options ka. Chili, garlic, and vinegar. Nilagay ko lahat.
Kaya ngayon, hindi niya alam kung ano mas gusto niya.
Ang sarap! I like this. Bye! First milk tea of the day. Kasi I didn't like the brown sugar something. So let's try. Okay lang. Night market, day 1.
Kasi night one.
Night 1 pala. Night 1. Night market at Shimende. So first up, sausage. First up, sausages.
Taste test.
Chorizo. Nasaan chorizo?
Pero ang sarap ng rice. Ang galing ng rice.
like it.
I like it.
Because I like it.
Thank you, Kiteki. Diba?
Thank you, Kiteki. I like it. I take
I buy everything, all
I buy
colors.
everything. I take all.
Ano verdict mo?
Sarap. Spicy.
Super spicy.
No.
Ay,
Cars pala can pass here.
yeah, kasi street naman talaga siya.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
7.2 pala.
Anong nagpa 2.7 sa kanya?
Parang kulang ng seasoning.
Ah,
Ng salt and pepper.
Ikaw ano?
I love it though.
So this is chicken drumstick roll.
No spicy.
No
No
spicy,
spicy.
but I think it's peppery.
Peppery. Go. Sarap. Parang Shanghai. Sarap.
Yeah, masarap siya.
Parang hotdog.
No, pero
parang
chicken.
Chicken. Lasa yung chicken. With the chicken fibers inside. Oh. Parang siyang chicken leg.
Sarap.
Stop Xiaolong Bao.
Shalong. Sarap. Hindi, ano na sa'yo?
Good na kami. Ano sabi niya?
Project
Oolong tea project.
by
Bye.
Sunny
Ulang.
Studios.
Haba ng pila. Ilan na? OA.
Oh, what did you
Pero
order?
syempre nakipila kami.
I ordered cheese milk. Yun lang. Ikaw.
Yun lang,
Cheese milk foam na ulong spring something.
I ordered cheese milk foam dark roasted udong.
Ikaw.
Cheese milk from
Highway ba tayo?
You know why?
Why?
Because $60 lang yung sa amin ni Jen. Kay Leina lang 65. Ha?
Yeah.
Because I'm
we're broke.
competitive like that.
Because he's rich and we're broke. Cheers! Oh, cheers.
Kailangan niyang haluin.
Yeah, pero I love it. I love it so much!
Totoo ba yan?
Oh, promise! Woo! Love it. Finally.
Yes. Wala niyo kasi na nag-recommend. Ako na naman.
Whatever. Chart. Thanks, Vince. Let's go. Bye.
So, doon tayo naman.
Okay, guys. We're at McDo. We're gonna rate them. If ano mas masarap. If Taiwan or McDo Philippines. So far, I've tried Hong Kong, Korea, and Japan. The best pa rin ang Japan. So, we'll see. Now, we're gonna try the food and rate them. Let's go. Ayun nga. Yun pala yung order namin.
Meron ako
Sausage burger.
grand breakfast. I don't know. Meron siyang
May buffet.
meron siyang hotcakes, nuggets, tapos meron may ano ba to, ham or something. Tapos meron
Ham.
egg.
And you?
Sausage
Muffin. Okay, and then I got an iced latte. What did you get?
Iced Americano.
Wow, and then you?
Ano? Iced Colombian latte.
Colombian latte. Okay. Same lang. Pero mas marami ba? Or what can you say?
Mas ano siya? Mas madami.
Guys, yung sauce ng nuggets nila nag-uumapaw.
Ano sauce yan?
Honey mustard. Wala kasi ng barbecue. Barbecue. So we will try the nuggets with the honey mustard sauce.
Same lang.
Same lang. Kung natikman niyo yung ranch, ang sauce, ang McDo sa Pilipinas. Ganun nandun. Ganun yung lasa.
So I guess, for me, pinaka-best pa rin is
Ulong
McDo Japan. Kasi madami silang selection. They have like teriyaki, bulgogi, stuff like that. Ito sa McDo na to parang very
Same lang.
normal lang.
Pero kasi nasa breakfast tayo eh.
But kasi they don't have this in the Philippines. Kaya ito in order pa.
Nasa breakfast kasi tayo.
Yeah.
Baka saya ako.
Mamaya later pag...
Sa Singapore, masarap din yung McDonald's.
Iba rin yung selection.
Thailand din. May mga taro.
Mm.
Ang dessert nila puro may taro.
That's it for our McDo stuff. You need to conserve battery because you know we're going away pa. Bye! Oh, where are we?
We're at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Palace.
Wow, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Palace. Huy!
Chiang Kai-shek.
Tama na, B. Where are we?
We are at...
Taipei 101.
We're at Taipei 101.
Yeah!
The
It's
tallest
so
building in
tall.
Thailand. As per our research unit.
Resource
Resident
person.
type.
The glasses are giving owner of Taipei 101. Hey! Oh my God.
Wait lang.
Hello, we just arrived here at Taipei 101. We weren't able to try yung pinapatong dun sa escalator. Kita nyo ba yung escalator? Right over there. Dati di ba nauso na lalagay yung phone tapos parang cinematic shot. But now it's prohibited, so we had to do it manually, 0.5 lang. And we're about to enter Taipei 101. Come with us.
Where are we?
We're at the 88th floor.
Of Taipei 101?
Yeah.
I got the Southern, Smoky Southern coffee something, Taiwanese. You.
Ako, Taiwan infused tea latte.
I got the Ethiopian heirloom medium dark roasted washed.
Holy.
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero for Uber coffee daw.
Cheers!
Thank you. We waited 30 minutes for this.
30 minutes for coffee. And then we paid 240 NTD each, which is like 300,
Tapos ang liit.
which is like 400 pesos.
For...
Diba? Ganun. So, whew, choices in life. Parang medyo 400 plus, no? Choices in life. 450 siguro. Okay, bye!
Where's the dark chocolate?
Ichiran ramen. Cute. Commerce, bye. I will eat first. Okay, actually, you can watch me. You can watch me eat. The best. Oh my god. Bye. Day 3 in Taiwan and our food adventure continues. So we found this gem outside our hotel. Tapos lagi siya pinipilahan pag morning. So now we're gonna try it. According to TikTok, super sarap daw ang food here. So there you go. So according to TikTok, ano yung mga pwedeng order here?
Egg omelette, soy milk, tapos hindi yan sila xiaolong bao.
Dumplings. Okay, I think I'm gonna get the soy milk and some dumplings and stuff.
Kuha ko na.
Okay, see you later. We're gonna review it. What did you guys get? I got soy milk, the famous soy milk. And then dumplings lang, syempre. Here are your chopsticks and straws. Hey, let's go. So, yours rice milk then? Soy milk. Ang sarap. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. So, masarap. Hindi ako OA.
Hindi ako okay.
Next naman, dumplings. Sarap. Wow. We're here at...
Oh, where?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Maybe at YLU.
Come on, sabihin nyo na lang.
YLU Geo Park.
YLU Geo Park. Yeah. So, it's so cold here and windy.
So, share ko lang. Sa buong trip namin, sa buong journey namin papunta dito, hindi nakita ni Jen yung dinadaanan namin dahil nakaganon siya.
Shut up. And now I have stiff neck. I'm like the crazy neck bent lady. Sobrang sakit talaga. Hindi man lang nila ako ginising. Like,
Wala.
I don't know.
Sana na naman namin, guys.
Sorry, Ima. Go.
Sa convenience store na lang daw kumain.
Bakit
Kasi
daw?
hindi sana yung mga tiyan ng mga tao dito sa local seafood. Shocks daw, muntik na siya magtae. Hindi siya tulog kasi. So 7-Eleven na lang daw kumain. Lamig dito sa ano? Argentina.
So guys, dito na kami ngayon sa, ano na to?
YLU Geo
Hindi, to. Cute Princess. Ito nga pala yung history niya.
Cute princess. Ito. Cute princess.
I guess. So ito nga pala yung mga batong pinuntahan namin. Ayan lang. Yan lang. Ito. Ayan yung mga bato. Ayun o, nag-iisang bato. So sabi dito, yun lang guys.
Wow, OMG. That's so beautiful.
Kaya tayo.
Huh?
Wow. Wow,
Oh,
OMG.
guys, here. Ganda. Rock formation. Wow.
Hi, hello.
Yay!
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. Tayo punta.
Doon naman.
Sa iba.
Doon. So, sabi kanina ng tour guide that it's been raining for weeks and now the day has passed. So, hindi nag-rain except for today.
And today din may penguins. May
penguin?
sighting ng penguins.
Saan? Ba't ako? Ba't ako? The view. At yung here. So windy here. So if you guys wanna come you should definitely prepare, like, buy a raincoat or an umbrella kasi nga it always rains except for today, so we're so lucky. And then it's a bit windy, so don't wear like skirts na magpa-fly or like muscle tees, definitely, because it's so windy and it's so cold. Yeah, so Dane is wearing this long cardigan, I'm wearing a sweater and a long white dress, and then oh no, is that the rain or like just water from the beach? I think it's just water from the beach. Okay, so we're gonna stop here to take a few pics. Who's Ima, Vince?
Don't give comments about my life because I don't give comments about yours.
What else? Actually, pagod na kami.
Actually, alam mo, wala kang karapatan mapagod dahil natulog ka lang buong biyahe.
Bakit? Anong gagawin ko?
Ganun lang siya. Tapos paggising niya, nagreklamo siya, sakit ang neck ko, guys!
Whatever! What are your tips sa kanila if going here?
Depende sa time nyo. Kasi, kung mahaba yung time nyo, kung like, maluwag yung schedule nyo, mag-tour na kayo, mag-DIY kayo.
Yeah.
Kasi kunwari, ngayon, kailangan ng oras na, 1:43 na, kailangan namin bumalik dun sa bus by 2:05.
Yeah.
Pero kapag DIY kayo, syempre, you get to enjoy the view.
Yeah, and like spend a lot of time here.
Pero kasi, parang for me, enjoy ko na yung view, parang pagpasok pa lang, like,
Yeah.
yun na yun, gets mo ba?
Yeah.
Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa bato-bato, gets mo? Bawal yan, bawal
Ayaw
yung
niya
mga bato
kasi
na
yung
yan.
mga meditation, ganyan.
Masama yan sa buhay nyo, yung mga bato-bato na yan.
This vlog's gonna be banned for life.
Wala na yung camera, mag-vlog ako.
Go ka na mag-vlog kami. Restart namin na vlog kami ni Vince.
So guys, natin yung dapat namin puntahan. Kita nyo to, kasi yun o, sobrang layo ba? So parang, ewan ko dito sa kasama ko, parang gusto niya pa niyang puntahan lahat. Hayaan mo na, wala natin yung pwede.
Nakita mo yung dress?
Ay, wala ito lang dress niya kasi floor kasi.
Yun lang. Whoa! Oh my gosh. The bridge is moving. Hi, Vince. Huh? Takot ka? Me also. Look. We might fall and the bridge is moving. Okay, I cannot. Hindi ko kaya mag-video. I can't take a video because I might fall. Okay, bye. Wow. Oh my God, umiyak ako. Kasi I love laughing.
Let's get it!
Okay, look at the picture.
看，拿4杯冰水给我。我要热，你要温的，好吗？3个冰的，1个温的。Okay, you put it up, hand here, up, smell cup. The perfect the parfum and the jasmine in the flower. The middle long and something a little the jasmine and the bottom up, your hand here. Really the perfect smell. Can see now?
Not a fan.
This is Julie!
Ngayon na kami ako po, Abby.
Okay.
Like kay Abby.
Hi! So, hello guys. So, we're now here at, I don't even know where. It was a crazy day, crazy morning. We missed our train like for, 5 minutes lang. So, we were late for 5 minutes. So, we missed the Disney train, which is super sad. So, we had to pivot and pivot like plan B or something. And get another ticket. Tapos ano ba to? What local train?
Local train.
Just a local train. And then since it's a last minute na parang pagbili ng ticket on the local train on the first time, wala kaming seats. So imagine for like an hour and 30 minutes, we were just standing, and now it's the first time in a long time na we get to sit again. So we're cherishing this moment.
Sabi ni Jan kanina, di ba kasi parang naghahanap kami ng, ano ba yung hinahanap natin kanina nun yung sa card? Loadan.
Hello, Dan.
Tapos si Lainil, iniwanan na niya kami. Sabi ni Jan sa akin, saan pa siya pupunta? Kasi, di na namin alam kung saan siya nakakuha ng energy. Okay, yun lang guys.
9 stop.
Tignan ko yung ano.
Kita nyo to? Ganyan pa ulit kalayo pupuntahan namin. Anyways, ito yung nangyari nga ulit. Ako naman magkikwento. Kami mabot sa train kasi wala nag-i-English be. Wala kami mapagtanungan. Tapos, ito pa pala kwento. So, while we were searching for the kiosk, kung saan pwede i-redeem yung ticket namin, a family, I'm not sure about their race or ethnicity, parang they overheard us asking questions dun sa counter. Tapos parang they approached us, and then she said na she was also looking for the Disney train. And she also said na parang they've been there for half an hour na, but they can't really find where the platform for the Disney train is, or even how just to get the tickets. And then so we kind of grouped up together, and then time check, that was like say 6:15, and our train was supposedly scheduled at 6:22. So at 6:15 we were searching, scouring the entire Taipei main station, and then the family who approached us, talked to the people there. They were asking, and then they were speaking Chinese, Mandarin. So imagine that. Even those who knows how to speak Mandarin, Chinese, I don't know, can't even find their own stuff in there. So we, as three, would not be able to find it on our own, even if we had more time. Because literally we cannot ask anyone, because they're not going to be answering.
We're at the
Chongqing Flower Market.
Flower Garden.
Garden Market.
What? Ewan ko. Winter Garden.
Say hi. Let's go.
Kasi pwede rin na
Ganda.
Doon nakapag
拿下来的啊，不要太低，要太低。他站那边的话，你用这样子。
那边的看不到。
他刚刚站那边，对不对？
这
他刚站没关系，你就这样子拍，要不然就拉近一点。你这样就满满的都是花，站这里嘛，对不对？你们没有人带你们来吗？啊，对啊，我想说怎么会没有人带你？
Ganda. Dutay, I love you. Kung Fu noodles and spicy wonton something in chili oil. And then that's...
Braised beef wonton.
And you had the same thing?
Yeah.
Thanks for the treat, Leonie. Thank you. Happy birthday, happy promotion, happy everything, happy life. So now we're just waiting for the milk tea. Let's cheers!
May nagkapakilala.
Sayang din po ran. Saan yun dito?
Go, Adi.
May binigay ka na kanina, di ba?
100.
Hindi okay.
Talaga? Deep fried yung potato do.
Wala ako nakuha ang potato eh.
Ano? Nasaan patatas?
Ang cute na crispy yung patatas. Hindi makita.
Hi guys!
Mushroom. What are the flavors?
So, seaweed and lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper syrup. Okay. Sarap.
Nasa mash ka.
Yeah.
Ano tayo ito?
Ay, ang ganda na siya.
Lasang mushroom.
Ito healthy kasi chewy siya.
Patikin mo seaweed.
Hindi pa kitang sarili mo. Ito na yung seaweed. Sarap. Kasi ito siya.
Fairness healthy nga.
Cute you. Bye. Okay. Sorry, got distracted by a dog. Lamb chops and sausage. Let's try. Hello.
Buksan mo braces mo doon.
I-zoom ko ba sa bigla?
Oo. Is that the best lamb chop?
Ever.
Ever?
Ever.
Ever.
Try mo na yung sausage. Go.
Tapos lamb chop ulit. Go. Bye.
So yummy. Worth the 8-minute wait.
8 minutes. Best sausage, for sure.
I think bumili kayo dito.
Tagal eh.
Sarap ng lamb chops.
Kita nyo? Sumasayo pa eh. Happy dance.
Weirdo.
Nakatingin sa amin yung mga foreigner dito. Ganito daw ba yung mga Pinoy?
Sabi nila, ang lamig-lamig naka-skirt.
Hello. So we're about to end our Shilin Market night market trip.
Enter?
End.
Sabi niyo mga binili niyo.
Ito lang binili.
Ito.
Ito lang binili ko. Basically, black na ganito.
Nasa dulo na
Feeling
kami.
ko kasi ang comfy ng mga gantong pants.
So far, what's your favorite night market?
Ito.
Ako si Mandy.
Me too, Shimen din.
Kahit nagkahabulan din ng alas 9.
Ganda mo.
Sa Shime, hindi tayong sample. Ito, nakikita nyo ba to? May mga yan, mga stall na ganito. May mga ganyan sa Shimending Night Market. Pero, the thing is, illegal pala sa'yo nagbebenta doon. So, every mga 9-10 p.m., may rumorondang isang police na nakamotor. Tapos nagtatakbuhan sila, tigisigawan. Anyways, ito, yung mga ganito arcades, very uso siya. Daming ganito. Tapos wala talaga siyang tao kasi arcades lang siya. Usually nasa baba siya ng buildings. Ayun lang. Bye-bye. See you sa next vlog which is gonna be, I don't know, Jolly Sport. Bye!
Wow, where are we then?
Hi, we're here at Lao Shandong. Ano ba? Lao Shandong? Lao Shandong, famous for beef noodles. So, nakita na naman to sa TikTok. So,
Bilang lokal na kami sa Taiwan, kahit isang linggo na kami, order na kami ng mga ganito places.
Taste test, guys.
What did you get?
I got beef tripe soup with rice kasi ayoko na magulo.
This is half beef, half tendon noodles.
this is the triple something. Beef tendon tripe, triple noodles. Tapos, pumorder ako ng pork dumplings and beef soup.
Yeah.
Huh?
Why are they famous? Sa noodles.
They're famous for noodles because TikTok said so. Because it's handmade. That's good.
Okay naman siya. Hindi ko pa na-try yung buo eh. Noodles pa lang. Medyo, di ba pag noodles wala talaga nasa masyado. So, I'll try this, the beef. Ay, so... Tignan nyo naman kung gaano ka-tender. Ako ng review dun sa... sa beef noodles ng Lao Shandong. So siya. Tapos, wala lang, parang tatlo kasi in order namin. Kay Jen, rice and soup lang. Kay Leo, parang, ano sa'yo? Half-half. Okay, tapos ako, parang triple, tendon tripe, tsaka beef. Tapos nag-order ako nitong pork dumplings and beef soup. So, yung noodles nila walang lasa. Pero I think kaya siya dinadayo, kaya maraming ano. Kasi is handmade yung noodles nila. Gusto niyo makita, guys. Pero parang for me it's not set boobs. You know what I'm saying? Ano yung noodles niya, guys? Oh. Ay. So, ayun lang. Pero try nyo pa din for the experience lang, gets nyo? Pero thank you TikTok dahil napatunayan ko na hindi lahat ng nire-recommend sa TikTok ay maganda.
Okay na? Okay na po?
Ito ako naman.
Ay, shop ko pala.
Ano, kayo lang?
So we're here at Pongda Coffee. We're gonna try out their coffee. Saan mo ito nahanap, Vince? TikTok also?
Sikat na siya sa TikTok and Vietnam.
Okay.
Clean ka.
It's our last day in Taiwan and we just wanna sulit the experience. So, akin yung pink straw, of course.
Spicy yan.
Good naman. It's good. Tapang siya. But we need it, so.
May whipped cream, may milk, and sugar. Sugar. It's good. Tapang B.